One of the things that has helped me so far in marriage is intentionality. The first time I listened to Fela Kurito's message was 2011, and I picked many lessons from the message. One of the message I picked from it is, if you don't know what you want, at least know what you don't want. That will reduce the options. If only people can prepare for marriage the way they prepare for wedding, it would have been amazing. Get ready with your notepad as I tell you about 5 ways to discern the right partner. My name is Edith Olale. I welcome you to Staying Dignified with Edith. If you haven't subscribed, now is the right time, perfect time for you to subscribe to this amazing channel. Before I go into this video, I would like you to go through my SELAR. There are a lot of books, especially guidelines to a happy home. I want you to read it. The link will be dropped in the description box. Without further ado, let us go straight into the business of today. The first point is to pray ahead for vision and not vibes. I know we want this kind of vibes, like I'm feeling his vibes, he's feeling my vibes, but that is not the major thing. Check if he's a person of vision, if he's a man of vision. Many have missed it because they actually checked the vibes and not the vision. Emotion has misled many women. And when looking for someone of vision, we have many talkers but little doers. Don't just rely on his talk. I have this vision to do this, to do that. Check his doing. Is it actually in alignment with what he's saying? Many women has been deceived with talkers and not doers. Those people are time wasters. The second on my list is to submit to godly counsel. It is not every counsel you should follow. I would rather submit to the counsel of someone with the marriage experience of 7 years that is enjoying a marriage right from start than to submit to the counsel of someone in marriage for 20 years that is not enjoying marriage, that has been beaten, battered, shattered, that she's just staying in marriage for staying sake, just for the facade. Some people's marriage is just a charade that has produced many unhappy children that are scared of marriage, that sees marriage as something to be endured and not something to be enjoyed. Some people even hate to hear anything about marriage. Yes, the parent has been married for over 30 years, over 40 years, but they've already assumed, they've already concluded in their mind that if this is what is called marriage, I would rather not marry than to be in this kind of thing. So, as a parent, are you proud of that? Or as a single lady, will you want a kind of life for yourself? So submit to godly counsel. Submit to people that can counsel you that their marriage is a testimony and not something that doesn't worth it. The third point is don't be desperate in marriage so as to see clearly. Desperation has forced some people into marriage that has led to their death. Some are depressed, some has been battered, tattered, and shattered. No, marriage is not meant for that. If you're desperate to marry, you will see red flag and you will see it as yellow sign or even a green sign. You will be delusional. You are not too late to marry. There is no late comer in marriage. Don't succumb to anybody's pressure because they will not live with you in that marriage. The fourth point is wait for peace and not butterflies. Some men has given some people butterflies, but they've taken away their peace. They'll say, there's butterfly in my tummy, but I've taken away their peace. Relationship is not onions that will make you cry every time. A partner that will give you peace will not make you fight over him, will not make you get insecure because of him. So don't be delusional, as I said. Wait for peace and not butterflies. The last point is to observe patterns and not promises. The man that promised to give you the whole world has not even gotten you a village, let alone a country. So just don't, like I said, don't check the talking, check the doings. A man that promised to love you will not deprive you of your happiness. Check if his words goes along with his actions. Someone that promised you marriage will not mount pressure on you to start performing wifely duties while he hasn't paid your bride price. Remember, promise ring is not a wedding ring, so don't allow any man to turn you into Lord of the Rings. Marriage is not something you should trifle with. You have to enjoy your marriage. Say now that I will enjoy my marriage. And until next video, remember to stay dignified.